that I was sending her my live location. And should she not hear from me in the next hour and a half, then she needs to phone the police. Back into my vehicle and drove towards the R23. At the R23 and R550 intersection, I received a call from a number I did not recognize. When I answered the call, I realized it was Constable XTN phoning me. She asked me if it's done, to which I replied yes. She said that I will see them on my way home, just before Carnival, the city, and I ended the call. Shortly after this, I saw SAF's vehicles, EMPD vehicles, and a red Renault Kwid. I realized that they were all parked on the side of Tinus de Jonge Road in Brakpan. I turned right towards them and parked right at the back of the parked vehicles. I got out and Kobus approached me and spoke to me and asked if I was okay. John Marie Extian wanted to know how deep I placed the body in the water, and I replied, on the side next to the bank. She then insisted that I go back to the dam where I dumped the body to check whether the body cannot be seen. I replied that I would not. The rest of them agreed that we should all go home. Zander, Viandre, John Marie and Yaku said they were going for drinks. I found this strange, as Zander had indicated to me earlier in the evening whilst we were in the house that he was struggling financially. They all said goodbye to each other and I was the last to drive off, fearing they might shoot at me. I got home the following day already, and burned my clothes and shoes that I was wearing. I informed my wife that I am safe. I then had a shower. Thereafter, I tried to sleep, which didn't happen as the events from the previous evening kept